Astronomy, past, present and future, and that is of course the theme for today's special meeting.
Take it with relatively modest equipment, but absolutely stunning image. And it's the journey taking us from the beginnings of the deep sky section in 1981 through to today that I will indistinguishable from magic. Now I know a lot of the people who are doing the imaging are very familiar with all the techniques. He's taken from Palomar in 1965, a little bit sepia over the years, that's a slide I've had for a long time. Ron Arbour's very excellent. Thank you, Paul.
This is a question I'm going to try and address today. What can an amateur astronomer, like anybody in this room, with the equipment that we can get today and a willingness to learn how to use it, do to help increase our understanding of variable stars? It's one eclipsing binary which contains 2 M-dwarf stars. Now that's good because you get 2 for the price of 1. If you can solve that system, you measure 2 stars. It has a very long orbital period of just over 11.5 hours.
As Paul has explained, well, like many of you, I got interested in astronomy as in the world, and the prize-giving committee, in recognition of what they've done, stated that they have transformed our lives, they've transformed the field of them. And this particular image is produced using Starlight Express camera, and Starlight Express have been around right from the very beginning.
The dawn of a new era. 2009 is the year which commemorates 400 years of telescopic observations. But there's another anniversary this year which you might have actually missed. And it took place in 1859 in Heidelberg.
Thank you, David. That introduction is quite useful as well, because everyone I've spoken to so far doesn't recognise me because I'm wearing a suit. Those digital images can be transferred across the net. And as the speeds of broadband and as the speeds of the internet increase, we can use larger and larger image formats and transfer them in almost real time.
Well, thank you very much for inviting me. It's been an absolutely marvellous day. What I'm going to try to do for you in this last talk, I'm going to try and answer 3 questions. What is the Virtual Observatory? Is it finished yet? And what's it got to do with you lot anyway? Right, survey that David just mentioned, by the way, the Infrared Deep Sky survey. So that's an infrared image of NGC.